Well, here I am on Waterrock Knob. About, I don't know how far up it I am. That tree, pine tree way up there is the top, I'm assuming. And we still have all that to go. And pretty much the whole hike has been like that. It's supposed to be a half a mile. I know I've gone easily a mile now. And we're not to the top, so I don't know who counted that thing. But I'm gonna rest here for a minute. I might go on or I might turn back. Don't know yet. Somewhere way over there is the cabin. I gotta find it again. I usually see the other cabin first and then ours. Lost it. Where'd it go? Okay. Don't see it. Uh-oh. Bad news. Oh, there we go. It's way over there. Should be fairly in the center there. So I'm gonna turn this off, rest a few, and continue hiking, I guess.